Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy to Learn Classes. I hope you all have watched my previous video in which we have studied language of chemistry. In that topic, we have studied about atoms, molecules, valencies, symbols, radicals and basic radicals, acidic radicals. So if you all have not watched, so please watch that video to understand this topic properly. So today's topic is how to write a chemical formula. In that video we have studied what are chemical formula. So now see how to write a chemical formula. These are the steps of writing a chemical formula. First step is that write the symbols side by side. Basic radical is written first, then acidic radical. In our previous video, we have studied about basic and acidic radical. What we have studied that when a salt is put into a water, it is split into two radicals. One will be basic radical and one will be acidic radical. Basic radical will possess electropositive charge and acidic radical will possess electronegative charge. So basic radical is positive charge and acidic radical is negative charge. So our first step is to write basic radical first and then acidic radical. Second step, write the valency of each atom on top of its symbol. We have written the symbols of the atoms. Now we have to write the valency on its top. Means we have to write the valencies of both the atoms on their top. Divide valency by their HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So we have to divide the valency by their HCF. Ignore positive and negative sign. I have told you that we are taking basic radical and acidic radical, and we have studied in previous video that radical have charges on them, but we have to ignore positive and negative charge. We have to ignore the charges. And last step is to interchange the valency of their radical. We have to interchange the valency. Now let us take some examples. Like we take calcium oxide. We are taking the example as calcium oxide. Here there are two elements, one is calcium and another is oxygen. So first we have to write the symbols side by side with basic radical first and then acidic radical. So calcium is a basic radical and oxygen is an acidic radical. So calcium symbol is Ca. Ca is the symbol of calcium. It is a basic radical, so it carry positive charge. And then oxygen O. It is acidic radical, so it carry negative charge. Now we have to write the valency of each atom on their top of the symbol. Divide valency by their HCF. Ignore positive and negative sign. So now we will ignore the positive and negative sign. We will only write about their valencies. So valency of calcium is 2 and oxygen is also here 2 plus and 2 minus. It will be 2 plus and 2 minus because it is having 2 plus charge, it is 2 minus. We will ignore the positive and negative sign, only 2, and here only 2. These are the valency, and then we have it is also written that we have to divide the valency by their HCF. So HCF of 2 and 2 will be 2. HCF we have studied in maths that HCF are the highest common factor. So 2 and 2 HCF will be 2 only, and here it will be 1 and here also it will be 1. Now here also 1 and here also 1. Now our last step, third step is interchange the valency of the radical. We have to interchange. One will come here and this one will come here. So it will be CaO. We doesn't write 1 to show there. We will not write 1 at the bottom. Now take some more. Now let's take some more examples. Now let us take few more examples. Now see how to write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. How to write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. So according to the first step, first we will write the basic radical and then we will write the acidic radical. So first we are writing basic radical, which is Mg2 plus, and then acidic radical, which is Cl minus 1 minus. It is basic because it is having positive charge, and it is acidic because it is having negative charge. Then according to the second step, we will ignore their positive and negative sign and we will divide them by their highest common factor, that is HCl. So magnesium HCl of 2 and 1 will be 1 only. So when we will divide 2 by 1, it will be 2, and 1 by 1 it will be 1, and we will ignore their positive and negative sign charges. Then according to the last step, we will interchange their valencies. So 1 will come here and 2 will come here. It is not necessary to write 1 at the lower right corner. So MgCl2 is the final answer, means chemical formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Let us take one more example, sodium meta-aluminate. So sodium, according to the first step, first we will write the basic radical, then acidic radical. Na1 plus is the basic radical, ALO3 1 minus is the acidic radical. Then according to the second step, we will ignore the positive and negative sign and positive and negative sign. So here Na plus Na1 and ALO3 1. Na1 is combining with ALO3 1. Then final, according to the last step, we will interchange their valencies. So this one will come here and this one will come here. So I have told you that it is not necessary to write 1 at the lower right corner of the atom. So final answer, that is chemical formula of sodium meta-aluminate is NaAlO3. Now one more example, ferric nitrate. So according to the first step, we will write the basic radical and then acidic radical. Fe plus 3 is the basic radical, NO3 minus 1 is the acidic radical. Then according to the second step, we will ignore the positive and negative sign. So I am ignoring positive and negative sign, and then we will divide them by their highest common factor. When we will divide highest common factor of 3 and 1 will be 1, and when we will divide 3 by 1 it will be 3, and we will divide 1 by 1 it will be 1. So according to the last step, we will interchange their valencies. So here it is 1, okay. This one will come here, and I have told you that it is not necessary to write 1 at the lower right corner, and this 3 will come here. Here already there is 1 3. So we will use this parenthesis to write this 3. This, whenever we have a number before only, then we will use parenthesis to write another valency like this. FeNO3 parenthesis is there, and then out of the parenthesis it is this one of 3. So chemical formula of ferric nitrate is FeNO3 parenthesis 3. FeNO3 parenthesis 3. In this video we have discussed about the steps of writing chemical formula and examples. If you are having any problem related to this topic, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.